Hey, what's up, guys? So sometimes we are designing t-shirts or maybe KDP or any kind of design, and we need some unique numbers or digits, some kind of unique style for the numbers. And it is quite difficult to find the numbers. You have to scroll down the list of your fonts to find something that would match your theme or the niche that you are hoping for. So considering that, I'm going to share here with you a list of 15 fonts that have some beautiful, or maybe you can say some unique numbers or digits in them. And I'm going to provide this list for free, and towards the end of the video I'll show you how you can download this list. But let me show you how you can actually use this list to get the fonts. Now in this list I have 15 different names of the fonts. All you have to do is go to fonts.google.com. that is the main page here, and you can copy any name. For example, if I just copy this one from the list, I'm going to put in this search fonts here, and it will show me that font. Now by default it is going to show you the alphabets or letters, but if you want to see the digits or the numbers, you have to type here in this sentence. So I'm going to type 1029, and then it will show you these numbers. You can increase the font style like that, and actually font size like that, to see closely the numbers. And if you like the numbers, you can click on it and then download these fonts. Now as I have shown you in my previous videos about Google fonts, these are free to use for commercial purposes, so you don't have to worry about the rights or the licensing of these fonts. Now let me show you some of the fonts here. For example, this is quite good for the stencil font, sports theme design. As you can see here, the letters are quite thick, which is very good for the t-shirts. There is another one like this one. This is pretty good for kind of like a school theme designs, like a chalk style letters, or maybe you can say chalk style numbers, which can be used on the green board or the black board. So if you are looking for those kind of designs, you can use this font. Another one is like this distressed font. So the best thing about this one is that it has some kind of like a thick bold letters and actually bold numbers with the distressed effect applied to it, and you can definitely use this in your t-shirt designs. Another one is like this one, classic looking design, the very stylish English looking letters. So you can use these fonts. So the purpose of showing you these some examples here is that I have included these fonts with a considering a variety of niches and themes, and you can use these fonts, and you will find I hope so that you will find a font for your niche and for every kind of niche, whether it's holidays, seasons, any kind of events, anything like that. For example, like this one, this can be used for crafting purpose because it has this stencil look to it and stencil style. Another one here is this water brush, so kind of like a distressed brush style look if you want to use numbers in kind of like an adventure style designs or something like that. Another one is like this one. It can be used for maybe Halloween themed designs, and also it is quite good to be used for any kind of like a I would say holidays theme designs. So these were just a few fonts that I have selected from this list of 50 fonts. Now let me show you how you can get that list. So I have a Facebook group called Master Print on Demand. It's totally free to join it, and if you join this group, at the top you have these different sections, or you can say different tabs here, and one of these tabs is called the files. So if I click the files, I have already uploaded a list of different freebies and other stuff like here, and I'm going to put the list of fonts. So you will see that, as you can see here, the list of Google fonts. So I'll maybe name the file to be list of Google fonts with unique numbers or beautiful numbers, so something like that. And you can just click this dotted button and use this option, download, and you will get that text file which has all these unique 50 fonts. So guys, that's how you can get these 50 free fonts. And if you have found this video to be helpful and useful, make sure that you like the video and let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions or anything, any confusion regarding this, you can ask me and I'll be happy to answer those questions if I can. and hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.